Hi guys, Julian from Genesis of Schaumburg here. Today we're going to help you go over some tips to help you navigate through your Genesis. First, today we're going to showcase the G90 in its self-park feature. This will be available on all Prestige trims on the Genesis lineup. Alright guys, we're going to show you this in real time. So to get this vehicle on that opposite side, we need to line up the vehicle on that side. I'll show you that now. So for the parking scan to work, you do need to be closer on the side that you wish to park on. All right, so first you have to activate the scan by pushing and hold the park button, which now the vehicle will be in scan mode. And it will scan closer to the side on which you want to park. It found a spot, so I'm going to go ahead and select that spot and push and hold the park button to have it start maneuvering. Notice how your seatbelt does have to be buckled for the operation to work. The vehicle will then start moving forward and backwards using all of the ultrasonic sensors. And cameras, looking at the surrounding area. Once the vehicle has completed the parking feature, it will prompt you to turn off the vehicle. Such as so.